Hello everyone. Hello. Hello everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Sorry for the delay, guys. So I was there in a class. Just wait for 1 minute. We'll start. Okay. Okay, let's start the session. So am I audible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chitawal, are
Yes,
you
sir.
there? Input. Yeah. Okay. So you all are machine learning and data science students, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. All are machine learning and data science students. So, tell me what is data science? So very few people over here. Why? Okay. So this is an introduction class. As this is an introduction class, so we'll discuss the mm, what's the name of the first project? Data science and machine learning student.
Sir,
Customer segmentation, I think so.
sir, customer segmentation with using various data sets.
Okay.
Sir, actually, I have a question,
Okay.
sir. Hello.
Sure. Sure. Go for it.
Sir, sir, actually, I have done the first project. Okay. I finished the first
Mm-hmm.
project. Can I share the
Okay.
screen with you? So, actually, I am a
No.
bit
No.
confused at
This is
whether
not the.
right or.
No. No. No.
Yes,
I
sir.
I'll tell you. I'll tell you which data set you will work on. What you need to
Okay.
do in your project. I'll escalate to that. From
Okay.
next week onward, this is an introduction class. Wait for the next class next week. I'll tell you what to do in the
Okay.
project. Okay?
Okay. Sir, I have done a
But
rough means
understand when
calculation.
it comes to segmentation, you will be using clustering rules.
What, sir? Didn't got
Yeah?
it, sir.
Clustering
Didn't got.
rules.
I've done it by
You
clustering
need
only, sir.
yeah,
I've done it by
by
clustering only.
clustering only. But what to do, what you need to visualize, I'll tell you. Okay, this is a beginner based project, so don't be hurry up. Okay, what's the second
Now,
project?
sir, the second project is the detection of speech using various data sets.
Okay, detection of speech. Okay, then your third project.
Personalized recommendation with system with extensive libraries.
Okay, recommendation engine. Okay,
Yes, sir.
we'll do it. Okay, don't do it. Everyone is active over here now.
Hello. Sir. Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Hello.
Yes, yes. I'm sharing my screen. Just a
Okay.
second. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, sir. Sir.
Uh, Now, yes, tell me, Sagnik Basu.
Uh,
Tell me.
Sir, I have taken. Sir. Sir, can I speak a bit, sir? If you have any issues.
Tell me what.
Sir, actually, I have done the demographic analysis first. Sir, I have got the age distribution of 18 to 34 is 35%. So on that basis, I
Mhm.
have done the code the sample data I took like data. I took a sample data, right? I like age like
Mm.
roughly around 25, 35, 42, 28, 50. Sir, just a bit, can I share the screen so that's why I can make you understand this that I'm going on the right path or not.
Okay, share your screen now. Okay, I'm stopping sharing. Share your.
Sure, sir. Sir, it's no, you are not allowed to share screen, sir. It's telling.
Oh, yes. Okay, just a second. I'm all right.
Okay, sir, fine.
Mm. Mhm. Section 40. Okay. Let me see. Okay. This house country. Uh, what's the minute? Okay, they share their screen. You can share your screen, I think.
No, it's not coming, sir. It will come, sir. It's showing you are not allowed to share your screen. It's showing.
Okay, Pitavas, can you see? Hello, Pitavas, are you there? Hello. Okay, just a second. Open
Okay, sir.
host. Okay, just a host must join before anyone else. Attendance tracking. Okay, next question. Question. Okay, just a second. Turn on the mic. Okay, now you can share your screen, I think. Anyone can share the screen or not? Shahid. Shahid, Yagnik Basu, can you share your
Yes,
screen
sir.
now?
No, no, sir. We are not able to share screen, sir.
Sir, it is showing that you are not able to,
Yes, sir.
you
That
are
is
not
same.
allowed to share your screen.
I think
Okay.
that meeting setting is there, sir. You have to change the meetings.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. Darshan, you are right. Sir, could you please continue? Yes. We should continue the class. After that, this is not a project class. Okay, like you actually try to understand. We have to go
Actually,
for something.
okay, sir. Yes, sure, sir. Sure.
So, uh, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
So, what is data science? What is machine learning? Who can tell me? I have to go for faster. What is data science? What is machine learning? Who can tell me?
Data science is the extracting of insights and analyzing the data, sir. And a machine learning
Hmm.
means it is used to create algorithm to extract data.
Mhm. Okay. So data science is the study of generalizable extraction of knowledge from the data. Means it involves collection of data, analyzing the data, and in turn building models from the data and make predictions over time to time. Okay. Then what is machine learning? It is machine learning is a term coined by Arthur Samuel in the year of 1959, and machine learning is the ability of a machine to learn from the data and replicate human behavior. It allows programs to learn automatically and make computers more intelligent without being explicitly programmed. Okay, simple term. When you are coming from this background, these terms should be in your mouth. Okay,
Okay, sir.
yes or
Okay, sir.
no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, introduction to data science, it is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods to extract insights from the data. It combines techniques from statistics, computer science, and domain expertise. The goal is to convert raw data into meaningful information for decision making. What is data? What is data in raw term? You tell me what is the data? Data is the collection of raw things and make them useful. Means it is the collection of raw facts from several resources, from raw resources, right? Means collection of raw things from several resources to make it useful. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Please
sir.
be active, not one.
So,
Just let me see who are the people over here. Less people are there. I can understand. The noise should be low, but not like that. Is okay. Just a second. I'll just call your name. Ashrita Sharma. Are you there?
present,
Arohi
sir.
Singh.
I'm present, sir. I'm
Yeah.
present, sir.
Arohi Singh. Bhavya. Darshan. Koteswara.
Present.
Present,
Mayank.
sir.
Yeah,
Mohammed.
I'm
Yes, sir.
present, sir.
Present, sir.
Raghapanna. Nandini.
Mama present.
Shagnik.
Sir,
Sangeeta.
present.
Yes. Hangita
Sahib.
present, sir.
Sonu. Sunil.
Yes, sir.
Sunil.
Yes, sir.
Tarun.
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Present, sir.
Tatpuri.
Present.
Present, sir. Present.
Only these 18, 17, 18 people are there. Okay. Then who will perform well? Let's see. Okay. Who is performing well actually? I hope I hope all of you will perform absolutely brilliant, but I'll tell you. Okay. When time comes, I can understand those who are active in the class, who are learn things appropriately or not. Okay. What is data? It is the collection of raw facts from several resources, and data may be structured and unstructured. Okay, structured means in a tabular format, or then just a second. Then unstructured means in text
He's
format,
not
means
he's not.
not in a tabular format. Just hold on, guys. My laptop is getting discharged, so let me do that. Okay, so uh, data you got it. Then just to hold on. Just a second, guys. Sorry. Sorry. Am I audible now? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're
So
audible.
in structured and unstructured data. Okay. Then what is in data science machine learning? We'll discuss further. But before that, what is uh what data? What is data mining? Okay, what is data mining and big data? Who can tell me? In the data field, if you're working on, what is big data and what is data mining? Who can tell me? Quick, quick, quick. Quick, guys, please, quick.
Data mining is a extraction of data, and big data is a collection of many data.
Okay. Big data is the
Collection
collection
of
of many.
large amount of data.
Processing and analyzing massive data. There are two
Processing and
meanings that are
analyzing
complex.
massive data.
behind it,
Okay.
actually. Hello?
So just yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. Big data is a technique that you can tell it primarily targets on data relationships, and data mining primarily target on extract useful insights. Big data is the crude oil, you can tell. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're audible.
Yeah. Big data is the crude oil, you can means raw oil, raw data available, and from that extraction, when you are filtered it, there is called data mining. Means
Data.
it is very small amount of data in data mining you are using, and in big data, huge volume of data is there. And data mining is primarily used for data analysis purposes, and the whole big data also analysis, but moreover to build the relationship between the data.
So when we transform
And
data, we get the data mining.
yeah,
So,
then in by using data mining, you can analyze the data, make predictions, classify the data, do whatever you want. But in
yes.
big data, you can do analysis in terms of target predictions and finding business factor on a large scale. Okay, that's why you are using big data. So, can you tell me the life cycle of what? Uh, m- Sorry, first data science. Let me talk about data science. Data science, machine learning. You are using data science. The algorithms are using for the algorithm that we are using that based on machine learning or deep learning, right?
So first is the
Yes, sir.
given problem definition, your problem statement. Then after that, we have to
Do you mean
Yeah.
responsibilities in data science or roles of or types of functionality of data science?
Yes.
When we talk about functionality of data science, it starts with data collection, data cleaning, data manipulation, data arrangement,
Mhm.
and training and
Yeah.
testing the data.
We'll discuss. Don't worry. In the life cycle, it will come. It's in the PPT. Just wait for that. But let me tell you what is the data science roadmap of a perfect data science roadmap. If you'll tell about, then first comes with
Data
mathematics
collection.
and statistics. No, no, no. Let me tell you, it's the roadmap. I'm talking about the roadmap. Okay.
Data collection, data understanding,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
data pre-processing,
Who told you?
data
I'm
management.
talking about not life cycle. I'm talking about the roadmap.
I is talking about the foundation skills roadmap, like programming, mathematical and statistics. Then manipulation and analysis comes.
Python or R
What,
programming language,
whatever I'm saying, please
statistics.
listen to me. Okay, guys, please don't be over smart. Don't mind, but just stay quiet. Whatever I'm discussing, just listen to me carefully. Don't mind, okay? In roadmap, first it comes to mathematics and statistics. In mathematics, your hypothesis testing, probability, linear algebra like vectors, matrices, then descriptive statistics, calculus, linear algebra, constant picture. Okay. Okay. Now tell me, hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
In mathematics,
sir.
when you are comparing mathematics for machine learning or for data science, what are the things required for what are the things you empirical risk minimization? Have you ever heard the term? What is empirical risk
No, sir.
minimization?
No.
Means what is risk? First understand what is risk. Risk means error or loss. How to find it? It's actual value minus predicted value. Then what is models as probability distributions? What is models as functions? How to evaluate the regression models? Means regression models like what? Mean absolute error, mean square error, root mean square error. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then what is degree of polynomial? Have you heard the term? What is degree of polynomial?
Yes, sir.
Means
Yes,
in
sir.
that
Yes,
you are
sir.
calculating. Yes. What is degree of polynomial then? You can tell me. Okay. First degree
So
of polynomial. I'm
I'll
giving you
I
an
can explain
equation.
with an
I
example.
am giving you a simple equation. I'm giving you a simple equation.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
write it down. Everyone, be in a pen and paper. I'm giving you an equation, simple equation. Means any 8th or 9th class student can solve it. Means 6th, 7th class students. Means 8th, 9th student can solve this. Everyone got a pen and paper.
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
Yes.
I'll
Yes,
ask you
sir.
anyone.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
just be in a pen and paper.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
give you 1 more minute. Okay. What is degree?
Yes, sir.
Just write the equation. 3x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. What is the value of x? 3x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. What is the value of x? Please be quick. Giving you 1 minute.
Sir, the highest degree is
Comma minus 2.
What?
Sir, -2 and the highest degree is 2. Degree is 2.
What? Just
Highest
hold on.
power
What?
of x is 2. Highest power of x means the degree
It's a complex equation, sir. Cannot be solved.
cannot be solved, and but the highest power of x is 2 means the degree. Degree is 2.
That's a degrees to. Sir is telling to solve. No, we cannot solve that, sir. It's a complex equation.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but by using means if I told you to find the value of x, you cannot find the value of x also.
No, sir. No, sir. We cannot find the value of x, sir. It's a complex
Why?
equation.
Why?
Because b square minus 4ac is not equal to 0, or it's less than 0.
Means you cannot. You are telling this, sir. Whatever I equation 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Let me solve that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It's 3x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. When it comes 3x square plus 3x minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Let me solve the equation first. Okay. 3x, x plus 1 common, minus 1, x plus 1, then x plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1 over here, or x is equal to 1
Sir,
upon
we
3.
can directly solve that using a formula minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by
I told
2a.
you to solve the problem. I told you to
Yeah, yes,
solve the
sir. I've
problem.
solved that, sir.
Okay. What's the value of x?
So we cannot get value of x, sir. It's a complex number. We'll get minus 2 plus or minus root over minus 8 by
By using
6, sir.
by using that rule, what you can find the value? I'm giving you to solve the problem. Okay.
Sir.
So just tell me, by using the formula, you can solve the problem or not?
Sir, 1 by 3 and 1.
Yes, we can
X equal
solve,
to
but
1 by 3 and 1.
root
Yes,
over
by
minus
using
8.
degree, whatever you are saying, I'm getting it. By using the term degree of polynomial, you cannot solve this problem. Got it. But by using the formula, you can solve the problem or not. These simple equations.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We can
sir.
solve it, sir. We can solve it, sir.
So what is hyperplane? Who can tell me?
So pardon, sir.
What is hyperplane? Simple.
Dimension 2D space থাকবে 3D ভুলে যাচ্ছি স্যার
Hello. A
A
flat
by the
hyper
class 0, okay.
a flat hypersurface which divides into two or more regions.
Hello, am I audible? Hello.
yes sir you're audible.
Yes, sir. You're audible, sir. You're audible.
Yes, sir. You are audible.
2D hyperplane in 2D space. 2D space is a line 3D there is a plane. The 3D space sort of plane হবে hello 2D space line 3D space plane higher dimension space.
Sorry guys, am I audible now? So I asked you what is SVM?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is
Sir.
support vector machine? Mayank, tell me what is support vector machine? Quick. Don't waste the time. Quick. What is support vector machine?
Classification algorithm.
What?
Which can classify data based on hyperplane.
Classify the
It
data
is a
based on
supervised algorithm.
Okay, what is kernel density estimation? Probability of x upon n is equal to 1 upon n. Have you heard the terms? Have you gone for the mathematics behind the data science and machine learning? No. Okay. What is parameter estimation? Then what is model fitting? How to then most important thing, probability modeling and inference. In that it comes Bayes theorem. Your naive Bayes algorithm is based on Bayes theorem. There Bayes theorem, your primary probability, posterior probability, how to calculate probability of a hypothesis is true when the given evidence is there, means probability of h upon e is equal to probability of h into probability of e upon h upon probability of f, means probability of h means probability of a hypothesis before any evidences is probability of e upon h is equal means it is the probability of seeing the evidence if hypothesis is true. Then probability of e means it is the probability of observing the evidence. Okay. What is Bayesian prediction? What is posterior probability? What is prior probability? Then what is parameterization? Then what is the eigenvalues? Means the diagonal elements. What is this? Then maximum likelihood function. What is maximum likelihood of a function estimation? then overfitting in linear regression, maximum in a maximum a posterior estimation is there. Then orthogonal matrix. What is orthogonal matrix? Actually, what's the math behind it? What is singular value decomposition, and what are the eigenvalues and eigenvectors we are using for? Why are you using? What is singular value decomposition? SVD. All these terms. Have you ever heard these terms? No. What is principal component analysis? Have you heard the math behind this? It's not like that you come and you just, sir, I have gone for the machine learning algorithms. I can do any project you want. Okay, it's not going to happen like this. Okay, am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You are audible.
So what I was discussing is the roadmap. So your mathematics and statistics plays a crucial role in data science and machine learning field. Then your Python comes into picture. Inside Python, your data visualization, data types, syntaxes, control structures, pandas, numpy, scikit-learn, matplotlib, plotly, TensorFlow, PyTorch, data analysis, visualization using matplotlib or seaborn. All these things comes into picture when we are discussing Python. What is Python? Python is a high-level interpreted programming language
Immutable language.
known for what? Known for its readability and inbuilt libraries. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So then after Python, you need to understand the SQL thing. For this, we'll discuss briefly the database things, not like the don't compare that only the database thing. Okay, first tell me what is database. I may ask you in some upcoming classes what is database. Let me explain. Database is organized collection of structured information or data typically stored electronically in a computer system, and it is electronically in a computer system which can be accessed, updated, and managed over time to time, and it is database is controlled by DBMS, database management system. And most databases use structured query language like SQL for uh, writing any command, any querying data.
Ordinary query.
Okay, yeah. What are the instances and what is schema? Schema is the logical structures of database. What are the instances? This is the actual content of database at a particular point of time. Then what is the data languages? Means data definition language, data manipulation language. All these things we'll discuss in that particular DBMS class. Okay, one class will be based on only DBMS stuff. Okay, remember this properly. Clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just a second.
Yes, sir.
So after SQL, in the SQL, you may will discuss some basic operations like insert, select, update, delete, then join, subqueries, Windows function, indexing, optimization technique, database management, query optimization, stored procedure, then your types of functional dependencies. Then you'll go for normalization, transaction. In transaction, we'll read asset property, that is atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. That property will discuss the natural join, types of natural join, linear algebra, DBMS, what is serializability, what is enhanced GR modeling, all these things in complex way we'll discuss. Okay, then we'll go to the deep. Okay, not just the basics. One class will be only dedicated to DBMS. Okay, that may happen in next week or the upcoming after that week. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
understood.
Okay,
What are the
sir.
math?
Okay, sir.
For for data science and machine learning field, we have mathematics and statistics, then Python, then SQL.
Okay.
After that, it comes to data wrangling. Data wrangling means handling the missing values, data transformation, data cleaning, data normalization, merging and joining, transferring everything. Okay. Then it comes to data visualizations like Plotly data visualization using Plotly, C1, Power BI, Tableau, Locker, Matplotlib, like. Then it comes to machine learning. Machine learning feels like first machine learning three types: supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement. Inside that, your algorithms like k-means clustering, hierarchical clustering, model evaluation, cross validation, ROC, confusion matrix. What is confusion matrix? Okay. What is confusion matrix? Who can tell me what is confusion matrix?
So
Sagnik.
confusion matrix consists of accuracy, precision values of the
Okay.
model,
What is
predicted model.
precision? What is precision? What is recall? What is if
Testing
was
of algorithms.
what is the
Precision is
formula?
the performance matrix.
How to how to calculate? Just tell me
True
the
positive
formula.
by true positive plus false negative, sir.
Okay. What is the recall?
False positive by forgot, sir.
True positive by true positive, true negative, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What is F1 score?
F1 score
2
is
into
the
2
precision into
into
recall upon
probability
precision plus
recalling.
recall. So in machine learning, there is like unsupervised learning, supervised learning, linear regression, logistic regression, distance trees, all these things comes into picture. Then in machine learning and data center, right, there needs soft skills like communication skills, problem solving skills, collaboration and teamwork, presentation skills, and adaptability to the technology. Yes. Okay.
Okay,
Then
sir.
in data visualization, to visualize your data, what are the things required to visualize your data? Means what are the
Power
various
BI.
charts?
Data
Okay, first
understanding.
tell me what are the various charts various charts and
Sir,
plots.
sir, I know. Sir, bar chart.
Numbers.
Sir, can I tell?
Yeah.
Bar chart, scatter chart, plot, bar chart, scatter plot, line charts, cards, uh, cards, or sir, I'm recalling that. Okay,
Histogram.
Okay. Stop recalling. I am just
histogram is not in Power
explaining.
BI.
Let's
Histogram is
don't.
not in-
Okay. Let me discuss. Okay. First, bar chart means it visualize the data with a rectangular bar, and the advantages is easy comparison of different groups. And use cases you may compare the sales across different regions. Then another one is histogram chart. Histogram chart means it visualize the data distribution in bins. Then advantages is easy to see the data frequency. Okay, means use case example, you can understanding the age distribution in a survey. Then scatter plot means the plots data points of means plots the data points on two axes. Advantages is to what identifies data correlations and clusters. Then use cases is analyzing the relationship between variables.
So class
What
chart
is
bar was also.
what?
So class
Yes,
chart bar, class chart column chart.
it
And
is there. Just hold on.
oh, okay.
Then it comes to bubble chart. Bubble chart means it displays the data in bubble size
Hmm.
variations. Advantages is it shows three data dimensions. And use case means example you can tell comparing the social media engagement metrics. Then one is Gantt chart. Gantt chart means it tracks project schedules over time. Advantages is it clarifies project timelines and tasks. Then use cases project management and planning. Okay. Then it comes to line chart. Line chart means it shows the trends over time with lines. Advantages to clear display of data changes. Use case is example is tracking stock market performance. Then it comes to pie chart. Pie chart means it represents data in a circular segment. Advantage you may consider that simple proportion visualization. Pie chart we are using for. It represents the data in a circular segment. You can visualize. Can you visualize those plots and charts in your mind? What I am saying?
Yes, sir. Sir, pie chart has a
And
limit of five or lesser amount, like means.
yeah.
Good.
Then it comes to maps. Maps means geographic data representation on maps.
Tree map, and field map. Shape map is
Yeah.
also.
Yes, map of different size because it is used for spatial pattern recognition also.
Yes, sir.
Then bullet charts. Bullet charts means It measures the performance against a target.
Means
Means
are you talking about
advantage is a compact alternative to means gauze or meters or miles. Okay. Then it comes to highlight table. Highlight table means it is a tabular data coloring based on values. Advantage is quick identification of highs and lows. Then tree maps also there. Tree maps is the hierarchical data with nested rectangles. Then box and whisker plots also available. Means in box and whisker plots, what we are doing like summarizing the data distribution and outliers. Means concise the representation of data spread. Then waterfall chart or walks means it visualizes the sequential cumulative effect, like clarifies the source of final value. Means example you can say understanding the profit and loss components of a company. Means one high, one low, like stock market. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
Sir,
just yes, tell me.
do we need the use of multi-row card, key performance index, slicer,
No,
table?
no, it's
Okay,
not
okay,
required.
okay. Decomposition tree is not needed, right?
No.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So then, if you understood MLOP component, also we may discuss in some other classes. But first, we'll discuss now machine learning because we're running behind. Hold on. So all of you, please listen to me now. This is not a regular class. We'll discuss over here. So what is data? We've discussed. Then importance of data science. It plays a crucial and critical role in various industries by enhancing decision-making processes through data-driven insights. Data science used in domain expertise, data engineering, scientific method, math, statistics, advanced computing, visualization, and command. Then businesses leverage data science to improve operational efficiency, customer satisfaction, and overall profitability. Then it comes to the data science processes, means the life cycle. Sorry, it's the processes. Just hold on. Okay. Okay. It is a process consists of several key includes data collection, cleaning, and analyzing. This is the life cycle of data science. I'll discuss in the upcoming slide. Each stage is crucial and critical for ensuring that the process is smoothly running or not. Then, what is machine learning? Machine learning is a subset of data science focused on algorithm that learns from data. It enables systems to improve their performance on tasks as they gain more experience. Okay. Now, you can see that this is artificial intelligence. Machine learning is a subset of AI, and deep learning is a subset of machine learning. Okay. Machine learning is a subset of AI which use statistical method to enable machines to improve with improve with experiences. What is the AI? The technique which enables machine to mimic human behavior. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning which make the computation of a multi-layer neural network feasible or easy. Then we will discuss types of machine learning, mainly of three types: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. Then supervised learning uses labeled dataset, as you all know. Yes, what is supervised, unsupervised? Now we'll discuss. Then we'll move to the further things. Okay.
Sir, can you explain deep learning again?
Yes, means deep learning means it is a subset of machine learning when it comes to the large amount of data set and the computations, because in machine learning we are using very small amount of data and the algorithm. There in deep learning we'll learn the data first, feasible the data, understand the data properly, then go for the model. Then there you may face various challenges like model training, model testing, by giving the epoch size also to validate the testing and all. Means here, multi means it is work on a neuron. Okay. Suppose take the example of a human neuron. Okay, it works something like that. Okay, there is back propagation technique, forward propagation technique, all these are available in deep learning. When we'll discuss deep learning in detail, you can understand what are the various types of deep learning, like artificial neural network, convolution neural network, recurrent neural network. Inside recurrent neural network, one is LSTM, long short-term memory, then what is transformer, your LLM, then your OpenAI, all working on transformer technique. How the neural network works, what is backpropagation technique, what is optimization, then your what is your what that gradient descent, learning rate, all these things we'll discuss when we'll go for deep learning in detail. The second project is based on deep learning. So in the upcoming classes, we'll discuss the deep learning in detail. But now onwards, just understand deep learning is a subset of ML which make the computation of multilayer neural network easy or feasible. Understood now?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Understood.
Yes, sir.
So now we'll wind up the class within 10 more minutes. In that meantime, we'll discuss in the life cycle. We'll discuss in the next class. Okay, the data science life cycle and machine learning life cycle we'll discuss in the next class. But in this class, today's class, uh, we'll discuss. Just hold on. So just before machine learning and data science life cycle, the pipeline I'm saying, the data preparation should be there, feature extraction, model training, model testing, then predictions, then model, if any error will be there, then you can back propagate to the model, then you can change your features like this. Okay, but the life cycle detail we'll discuss in the next class. Don't worry about that. Okay, now the thing is, what are the types of machine learning? Machine learning told you, machine learning three types: supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement. Supervised means the algorithm uses data developed by supervised environment or used a labeled data. Unsupervised means unlabeled data. Reinforcement means programs learns from the previous error, means interpreted reward with the algorithm when it finds the correct solution. Okay. And in reinforcement, better results will be predicted. All the feedback system is based on reinforcement based algorithm. Okay, please guys tell me. Don't be late.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Before that, tell me some. It's all gone for supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. Tell me some supervised based algorithm name in machine learning. Quick.
KNN.
Uh-huh. Yes.
Decision trees,
Mm-hmm.
random forest,
Mm-hmm.
logistic regression, linear regression,
Linear regression,
Linear logistic
multilinear
decision tree,
regression.
support vector machine, MyBase, K in that is K nearest neighbor, random forest, neural network, and classification. All are based on classification regression, all are based on supervised learning algorithm. What is unsupervised learning
Supervised
algorithm?
learning.
What are the various unsupervised learning algorithm? K means agent Markov, Gaussian mixture, neural network, PCA, support singular value decomposition, principal component analysis, all these things are based on unsupervised learning.
Scan.
Then what is reinforcement algorithm? Can you tell me? Q learning, teach me, all are based on reinforcement based algorithm. Now I'll discuss further. Don't be late now. What is in case of supervised, when you are talking about supervised learning algorithm? What is classification? What is regression? So first tell me, what are the various Python packages used in ML, machine learning? Quick, 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 quick.
sklearn,
NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow,
Pandas,
Matplotlib, SciPy, Scikit-learn, Keras, PyTorch, etc.
PyTorch,
Okay, what is supervised
TensorFlow.
learning? Supervised learning means machines are trained with labeled data as input. Then linear and logistic regression. Guys, please don't think that sir is going in a speed of train. Okay, I have to be, because in 1 hour class, it's not daily class. I cannot complete everything. So remember, this is not a means you may think that the teacher will come and teach us. It's not going to happen. It should be a discussion class. Okay, we will discuss it together. I'll not teach you anything. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
remember this.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
when you think that sir is teaching, then it's not the intensive, it's the regular class. It's then you go for better go for the university or colleges. Okay, understand, this is intensive program. We'll discuss over here what are the things required to complete the project, how we'll complete the project smoothly. We'll discuss that much. Else you all know, in 2 months, 3 months, we can, in a week you will have 2 3 classes. Okay, in those classes, one class is for review session, project review. So how will complete in 1 week? If you'll get 1 to 2 classes, I will complete the things. Moreover, we'll discuss, guys. You can understand that from 1 hour, approximately from 45 minutes, 50 minutes, we are discussing. We're only discussing. When we are going for one topic, there may be means that opens into various subsets. Okay, so leave the term. So now supervised learning means when the machines are trained with label data as input, then logistic regression, multiple linear regression, decision trees, support vector machine, all are based on supervised learning. Supervised is classified into two types. One is classification and another one is regression. What is classification? Classification means you will segregate the data into two or more categories with one or more input. The means input, the model predicts the value of one or more outcomes. What is regression? What is regression? First tell me. Regression, in regression we will try to establish the relationship between input and output variables. Means it is used to forecast or predict the value of stock market. What is regression means? If overall you can tell, dependent value can be changed according to the independent variable. This is called as regression. In simple linear regression, we have one independent, one dependent variable, and in multiple linear regression, what? Tell me. How many independent variable? How many dependent variable? You tell me in supervised, in terms of regression. When I'm talking about regression, I told you when the dependent value can be changed according to the independent variable, that is called regression. In simple linear regression, we have one single independent variable and one single dependent variable. But in multiple regression, tell me, what is the number
One
of
dependent and many number of independent variables.
multiple independent variable, but one single dependent variable will be there. That is called multiple linear regression. Yes, yes. What is logistic regression? It's called as logistic regression, but it's not on regression based algorithm. It's based on discrete outputs, true or false, zeros or ones. Means moreover, it's a classification based on. Yes,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Then, when it comes to preparing and stepping the data, what is regularization technique? Regulation, quick. It is a form of regression that swings the coefficient towards zero. Okay. There is a term RSS called, it is the difference between actual and predicted value. What are the types of regulation? Regulation, why are you using regulation? Regulation we are using for to overcome the overfitting, to reduce the overfitting. Okay. What are the various types of regulation? Who can tell me? No one. Let me explain you. Regulation, various regulation techniques. Just note it down. Okay. You may search it Google. You may Google it further. Various regulation techniques like dropout, early stopping, quarter pressure, lasso regression, and ridge regression. What is dropout? The more units dropped out, the strongest will be the regulation. Early stopping means use large number of epochs and plots the validation loss graphs. Then coordination means neurons predict patterns in the training data using output of specific neurons. What is lasso regression? It is also called as Wellman regularization, and it penalizes weights in proportion to the sum of absolute values of the weights. What is ridge regression or L2 regularization? It shrinks the coefficient close to zero for unimportant predictors. Those are not important, but never makes them exactly to the zero. It shrinks the coefficient towards zero, but not exactly to zero. Then we'll have linear regression, multiple linear regression, some various algorithms, like everything is there. We'll discuss over time to time. But in the meantime, now you all are active in the class, right? We may discuss for 2 minutes more, or
Yes,
you
sir.
want to leave. Listen, guys, when you think today आज बहुत हो गया, ऐसा लगता है कि सर बहुत हो गया आज, और ऐसा जब भी लगता है तो मुझे बोल देना, ठीक है? We'll stop discussion. But moreover, we are discussing the basics, guys. Okay. So I'm just going in very fast. Okay. So in terms of unsupervised learning, you have the patience to discuss or not, or we'll stop. In the next class, we'll discuss those things along with your life cycle. You want me to stop? Tagnik, Nandini?
सर मेरा वोटिंग देने से तो कुछ नहीं होगा सर.
Okay,
सबको
Nandini?
voting.
We can continue, sir.
Okay, fine. Asrita Sharma? Asrit?
Yes, sir. We can continue for more 10 minutes, sir. That's fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sure. So unsupervised learning. Learning means that you extract patterns from unavailable data. There are three types. One is clustering, association, and dimensional reduction. What is clustering? We divide the set of data points into multiple clusters, and it aims to segregate the data points with similar traits. What is association? Association means it defines the relationship between large data set, means relationship between variables in large data set, and it determines the dependencies of one data item over another data item. And we can find the association application in market basket analysis. Have you heard the term market basket analysis?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Just go for it. In association rule mining, it is there, market basket analysis. Have you ever gone for the term data warehouse and data mining?
Yes, sir.
What is data warehousing?
The data warehousing is means it's a storage where data is stored, I think, as per as my knowledge.
Have you ever used this? My screen is visible, right?
No, sir. You have not shared your screen.
Now, you see this. Now my screen is visible, right?
No, sir. Yes, sir. Now it's visible.
Weka download this. Have you ever used this Weka tool?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. Never used it.
Yes, sir.
You have used it, right?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, yes. क्या कोई बोल रहा है मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा.
सर मैं ये पहली बार यूज कर रहा हूँ. I've used VS Code, Spider.
Few people
Weka
used
tool
it,
for
few people didn't use it, sir.
visualization and inbuilt models are available. Okay, there are some sets of data
Okay,
sets are
it's
available.
open
You
source,
can
right?
work for visualization purposes. Okay, for data
Okay.
mining
Sir,
purposes. You can.
Power BI. For data mining Power BI, we can use also
No,
Power BI.
no. Power BI you can use, but listen, Weka tool is nothing but when we are discussing the term data warehouse and data mining, there are some pre-trained models available. J28, J18 model. This century means just import your data into that. Means something like in Power BI, you are just means more like you are developing the dashboards. Okay, but in
Sir,
that
no, sir. DAX is also used, sir. Actually, DAX
what
is also used. DAX data
tax
analysis.
function is also everything is there. Power BI, I understand the term, but Power BI is the means advanced term. Okay, DAX is
Yes,
there.
sir.
I know means I'm in data analytics field also, but Weka tool there's some inbuilt models available. Just click on that, then it will directly come. It will give you the dataset description. It will describe the dataset to you. Okay, use your own dataset, or you can use the inbuilt dataset that is available. Just click on decision trees, how decision trees work, just make it a decision tree model, everything it will do. If anyone used ever that, they can relate to my terms, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Anyone? Yes. Have you ever used that? Who has that ever used?
I will start working on this today.
Okay. Just this is your task to download Weka tool, and in the next class, I may ask you to share your screen and have you used the Weka tool or not? You tell me. This bird symbol is there for Weka tool. Okay. This is the next class task.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Task for the next
Thank-
class. Okay. Okay, then
Okay, sir.
dimensional reduction. Dimensional reduction, one perfect example means when it comes to unsupervised clustering association dimensional reduction. Then in clustering, it divide the set of data points and what is association, find the relationship between variables in large data sets. Then what is dimensional reduction? The perfect example of dimensional reduction is PCA, principal component analysis. Means that it identifies the patterns in a data set and simplifies the data set by reducing the dimension or dimensional. Then one term is called performance parameter. What is Silahout coefficient? What is Jones index? We will discuss further on. But what is clustering? When it comes to sorry, unsupervised clustering. Clustering is also four types. Means the goal of clustering exercise is to classify the data points into distinct groups. According to that, clustering is the four types. One is centroid based, then your density based, then distribution based clustering, then hierarchical clustering. Okay, now the question arrives. What is hierarchical clustering? What is HCA? Hierarchical clustering. It is a unsupervised clustering algorithm and mainly dendrograms is used for the interpretation in hierarchical clustering. Okay, it is something
Yes.
like it is tree-like structure. Okay, now the question, easy question. What does K means clustering and it comes under which type of clustering algorithm?
So
I told you there are four
the
types of
data
clustering.
is split
Okay,
into, sir,
listen.
data is split
There are
into K.
just hold on. I told you
Yeah.
there are four types of clustering: centered based, density, distribution, hierarchical. Among them, K-means clustering comes under what type of clustering algorithm? No answer. K-means clustering is a centered based clustering algorithm. It is unsupervised machine learning that groups unlabeled data into cluster by identify the K number of centroid. Means centroid based algorithm that groups unlabeled data into K number of cluster, each with one centroid. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is up to this we have discussed, and it's in the next class we will discuss some more terms related to the algorithms, various algorithm we will discuss. We'll just overview the algorithms: linear regression, logistic regression, K-means clustering, K-means clustering will stop because in the next few classes we'll discuss when we will discuss the project we will discuss K-means clustering in detail. But other algorithms like linear regression, multiple linear regression, logistic, naive Bayes, then your random forest, your support vector machine, your decision tree, multiple linear regression, logistic regression we'll discuss fast. Okay, but in the next class we'll continue from this, then we'll directly go to the life cycle. Okay, to the PCA.
Okay, sure.
Guys,
Hello.
please don't mind, sir is going faster or what because we are discussing, and I think to discuss the maximum thing that I can. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Okay, sure.
that's why I'm coming things very fast. Okay, I'll not wait for anyone else. Just be in a pen and paper. What are the terms I'm saying? Just note it down. Whatever you want to do. Okay,
Yes, sir.
but we have
Sir,
to discuss the maximum things.
sir,
Yeah,
actually, now can I talk to you, sir?
yeah. Tell me. Talk to me.
No, sir, actually, everybody leaves. Sir, actually,
Means we are talking about our project.
project
Don't
related.
worry, in the upcoming classes, we will discuss the project. This is not the time to discuss the project. This is a beginner based project. Just wait for the time to come. Okay. In the upcoming, we will discuss about the project, and there you can share your screen. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Sir,
Good
can you
night,
share
all.
that PDF?
Take care.
That might be helpful.
What PDF means? PPT.
Sir, actually, I mean the data set,
Yeah,
actually.
PPT, sir.
Yes, sure. I'll
Actually,
share the PPT along with you. Don't worry.
okay, sir. Sir, actually,
Thank
Okay,
you.
we'll
Good.
discuss about it. Yeah.
okay, sir.
Okay. Thank
Thank
you
you, sir.
all. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Whoa.